hungry. Let me have some of your banana.
Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. Here, I'll make a little game.
Good.
If I'll hide it behind my back, and if you guess which hand it's in, then you can have the banana, and if you don't guess it, I'll eat it, all right?
Me hide my eyes.
Fair enough. Don't look. Don't look, Chief. Now, let's see. Don't look.
Not look.
Tell me, which hand do you think I have the banana in?
Oh, a little psychic here.
Which one?
Right.
The right hand. You are right, and you get the banana. What happened? Well, I can't understand it. Well, never mind. Let's watch Clarabelle on television. Come on.
Oh, no.
He's on television right now.
Cowabunga, no, that clown looks sillier on television than he does in person.
Yeah, but he might
Look
tell a
at him.
secret, Chief.
Oh, yeah!